Welcome to our channel. If you want to find free trial codes and promotional offers through coupon websites, follow these step-by-step instructions to discover these money-saving opportunities. Step 1. Visit popular coupon aggregator websites such as RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, Groupon, Slick Deals, or Honey to search for current promotional codes offering extended free trials. Step 2. Use the search function on coupon sites to look for specific services you're interested in trying, or browse categories like streaming, software, or subscriptions to discover new offers. Step 3. Review the available coupons and promotional codes carefully, paying attention to expiration dates, user comments about code validity, and any special requirements or restrictions. Step 4. Check the success rate shown for each code, as many coupon sites display percentages indicating how many users have successfully redeemed each promotional offer recently. Step 5. Click Get Code or Show Code to reveal the promotional code. The coupon site may open a new window directing you to the service's website while displaying the code. Step 6. Copy the promotional code to your clipboard and navigate to the service's sign-up page. Look for fields labeled promo code, discount code, or offer code during the registration process. Step 7. Paste the code into the appropriate field and click Apply to verify the code works. The page should confirm your extended trial period or discount before you complete registration. Step 8. Complete your account creation and start using the service with your promotional trial benefits. If a code doesn't work, return to the coupon site to try alternative codes or report the issue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.